Assalamualaikum 9 class. I hope you are doing good. Today we are going to discuss our topic algorithms, design and problems. Now we need to know the first topic, the program development life cycle. The program development life cycle basically consists of 5 stages in it. Number 1 is the analysis, second is the design, third one is the coding, fourth one is the testing and fifth is the maintenance. But in this syllabus we are going to discuss the first 4 stages, means analysis, design, coding and testing. Now we need to know first what is analysis basically. It is the process of abstraction, decomposition of the problem, identification of problems and its requirements. Means abstraction means the process of filtering out. Means we need to know what requirements we need to solve our problem. Basically it is the process of filtering out, decomposition of the problem and to identify what are the requirements we need to solve our problem. So basically this is the first stage we are using in the program development life cycle. Now the second stage we have is basically called as design, right? So it is the method which is used for decomposition of a problem, and it decompose a problem in structure diagrams, flow charts and pseudocode. So flow chart is basically the representation, the graphical representation of the program, and pseudocodes, if when we write a program in code, it is called as pseudocode. So basically design is the decomposition of the problem in structure diagrams, flow charts and pseudocode. Now third stage that we have in the program development life cycle is called as coding. So it is the stage in which we write program code and iterative testing is being done. So iterative testing means repeating tests so that the problem, so we check the problem, what type of error we have in our problem. So we need to repeat our tests, right? So that is basically called as coding. Means it is a stage in which we write program code and iterative testing is being done. Means we are going to test, we are going to repeat our test so that the problem solve, right? We check the errors in it, right? So we have the fourth stages in it is called as testing. In this stage, testing of program code is done with the use of the data. Means we need to we need to test our program code with the use of test data. Now what is test data basically? Means after solving the problem we need to test whether the solution is correct or not, and for testing we need test data. So basically I'm repeating it again. So that's test data is basically means after we solve our problem we need to test whether the solution is correct or not, right? And for testing we need test data. Now that is called as test data. So in this stage testing of program code is done with the use of